Hello friends, welcome back to another video on Android development. In this video we will learn how we can create the contextual action mode on the recycler view. When we long click on any item to select the item, more than one item, and then we click on the delete to delete the item from the recycler view. Here is the example of the contextual action mode. When we long click on any item, let's say I click on the image A. Here contextual action mode is enabled. Now here we will select the item. Let's say I select the item A, image B, and when I click on the delete, it will delete the item from the recycler view and our contextual action mode is disabled. So in this video we will create same like this one. So let's create. First of all we will add the dependency. Here is the dependency that we will use in this project. So copy this dependency and go to the Gradle script build.gradle, and here we will paste that dependency. Now click on the sync now. Okay, now we will add the vector assets. So right click on any package and select the vector asset. Let's say I select any item from clip art. Okay, let's type here setting. I select this one and click on next, and here we will choose the color. Let's say I select the white color, choose and change the name. I see setting and click on next. Finish again, right click new and select the vector assets. This time select the delete. Okay, type delete, select this one, press OK. Now change the color and also change the name. Click on next and finish. Now again okay. Now we will create the app bar. So first we will remove old app bar, go to the value and style. Now here we will type no action bar. Okay, now we will change the color. Let's say I select the first color is this one. Now copy this color and also we will change this color. Okay, now change the last color, that is black, so it's better. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we will create the action bar. So go to the layout, right click on this layout, new layout resource file, and here we will type toolbar and just change this linear layout to toolbar. Make sure you have to select the second one. Okay, now go to the text and here we will change the height to action bar height. Okay, now change the background color, that is color primary, and give the ID, that is toolbar. Okay, now change the theme, select the theme dark dot action bar. In this we need relative layout, that is match parent, wrap content, and inside this relative layout we need text view, that is match parent and wrap content. Now here we will type the text. Let's say I type 0 item selected. Now give the ID, item counter. Okay, now go to the activity main.xml and here we will remove all the data. So change this to linear layout. Okay, here we will add the include and layout. We will add the toolbar. Okay, inside this, at the bottom of this toolbar we will add the recycler view. So add the recycler view, that is match parent and match parent. Now give the ID recycler view. Okay, now we will add the orientation, that is vertical. Okay, now it's perfect. So right click on the resource, new, and select the Android resource file. Here we can say menu and select the menu, or you can say normal menu. Okay, now click on OK. Now in normal menu we will add only one item. So give the ID, that is setting, and title. Let's say I type setting and icon. So here we will add the icon, that is settings. Now type it show as action method if room is available. Okay, now copy this item. We will create another menu. So right click on this menu, new, menu resource file, and again type contextual underscore menu and click OK. Now select the text, and here we will add the two items. First one is the delete, and here we will type delete. Now select the icon IC delete, and first press Alt Enter to import the class and if room is available. Now import the second item, that is share, and select the title is also share. Now select the icon, that is share, and if room is available. Okay, now go to the main activity, and here we will create the private toolbar. Make sure you have select the second one, toolbar, and here we will get that toolbar. Toolbar is equal to find view by ID r.id.toolbar. Okay, now set support action bar, and here we will pass that toolbar. Okay, now get support action bar dot set title, and here we will pass my app. Okay, now first run the application. Okay, now our application look like this one. Now we have to bold this text view and create the recycler view. So go to the layout, that is toolbar, and here we will design the toolbar text color, and here we will add the color, that is white color, and also we will add the text size, that is 20 dp is enough, I think. Okay, perfect. Now close all the files. Okay, now we will create the layout for recycler view. So right click on the layout, new, and layout resource file, and here we can say single view and click on OK. Now here we will select the relative layout, and inside this we will select the height into wrap content, but first we will design it. So first thing that we will create, that is image view. so its width is 95 dp and height is also 95 dp. Now give the id into image view. Now source, let's say I select any source from IC launcher background. Okay, now close it. Now we will add the text view, that is wrap content, and give the id, that is text view, or you can say image title. Okay, now select the text size, that is 25 dp, and also select the text. Let's say I type a image, and it is the right side of the id image view, and margin from top it's 15 dp, it's 20 dp enough. Now margin from left, let's say I select 10 dp. Okay, okay, now we will select the background color. Let's say I select the background color okay. Now here we will add a checkbox, sorry for that, checkbox, that is wrap content, and give the id, let's say I type checkbox, and it is the right side of align parent right and pass it true, and give the margin from top, let's say I type 25 dp, and close it. Okay, now we will change the height into wrap content. Okay, now it's look better. Also we will add the margin from top, margin, let's say I type 5 dp. Okay, now go to the main activity, and here we will create the recycler view. Before this we will create the adapter, so right click new class, and let's say I type it image adapter, and click OK. Now here we will extend adapter, that is recycler view adapter, and here we will image adapter dot my view holder. Okay, now first we will implement the method, and press alt enter to implement the methods. There are 3 methods. Okay, now press alt enter to make super class, and again press alt enter. Okay, now our adapter is ready. Now here we will create the array list. So inside this we will create the array list, that is image type, and here we will create the list is equal to new array list. Okay, now here we will create the class, that is image. So first we will create the image class, and here we can say image and press OK. Now here we will create the variable, so let's say image id, that is int type, and private string image name. Okay, we will create the constructor. So right click, generate, and select the constructor, select both field and press OK. Now we will create the getters. So right click, generate, and select on the getters, select both fields and press OK. Okay, now go to the adapter, and here we will create constructor. So again, create main activity first, main activity, and here we will create the constructor. So right click, generate, and here we will select the constructor, select both field and press OK. Okay, now first here we will inflate that layout. So remove this return. Here we will create the view and layout inflator dot from, and here we will pass parent dot get context and dot inflate r dot layout dot single view layout, and the second parameter is the parent, third parameter is the view group, that is false. Okay, now we will create my view holder is equal to now new my view holder, and here first parameter is the view and the second parameter is the main activity. Okay, now return my view holder. Okay, now here we will create one more variable, that is main activity. Okay, now get item count, we will list dot size. Okay, now here we will initialize the variable that is available on the single view. So first is image view, so we can say image view, and the text view, let's say text view, and checkbox, and also we will create the view, that is view. Okay, now we will initialize. So inside this my view holder we will initialize. So first image view is equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot, so image view, and duplicate this line, just change this text view, and here we can say image title, and now this checkbox, and here we will also change the checkbox. Okay, now we will change the view is equal to item view. Okay, now here we will set the data. So image view, holder dot image view dot set resources, and here we will call list dot get, here we will pass the position dot get image id, and now holder dot text view dot set text, and list dot get pass the position dot image name. Okay, now go to the main activity, and here we will create the recycler view. So create the recycler view, and now image adapter, now initialize this recycler view. Recycler view is equal to find view by id r dot id dot recycler view, and image adapter is equal to new image adapter, and first parameter is the array list and second parameter is the main activity. So first we will create the arrays. So first I have this array, so copy this array and go to the string and paste it here. These are the images name that call by image name, and the second array is this one, and go to the main activity and paste it here. Now we will copy the images and paste in drawable folder. So just go to the folder and just paste the images in this drawable folder. Okay, now before this image adapter we will create another array. So let's say I type string array that is name, we call it name and initialize this name. So name is equal to get resources dot get string array r dot array dot image name. Okay, now here we will get the name of the images and also we will get the name of that images. Okay, now first we will assign the images, and here we will create another array. So array list, that is the type of the images, and here we can say image list. Okay, now initialize this list. Image list is equal to new array list, and first we will assign all the value. For loop int I is equal to 0 and I is less than name dot length and I plus. Now inside this for loop we will assign the value to the images class. So image is equal to new image, sorry it's image. Okay, now first parameter is the id, so here we will pass the array of position I and the name of position I. Okay, now add this image to this over new array list. So image list dot add, and here we will pass the image. Okay, now we will call this image adapter. Here we will pass two parameters. The first parameter is the array image list and second parameter is the main activity dot this. Finally we will call the method RecyclerView dot set layout new linear layout manager and pass the context, and RecyclerView dot set adapter, and here we will pass the image adapter. Okay, now run the application. Okay, now our RecyclerView looks like this one. Here you can see. Now we will remove this, hide this checkbox, and also adjust this brackets, and let's create it.